Hello friends, this problem is taken from Ukraine Maths Olympiad, and in this case you have been given two equations and then you have to find sum of unknowns. The first equation is aq minus 3a square plus 5a minus 17 and this is equals to 0. And the second equation is bq minus 3b square plus 5b plus 11, this is equals to 0. Then you have to find what is the value of a plus b. Now how will you solve this problem? You can use algebraic identity to solve this problem. And in this case I will use this algebraic identity, that is a minus b whole q is equals to aq minus bq minus 3ab times a minus b. So let us use this identity. Let's call this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Equation 1 I can rewrite, that is aq minus 3a square plus 5a minus 17, this is equals to 0. Now I can further simplify, this is aq minus 3a square and 5a I can write 3a plus 2a and 17 minus 1 minus 16 is equals to 0. Why I am doing this you will soon understand. This is aq minus 3a square and then plus 3a minus 1 and left term is plus 2a minus 16 and this is equals to 0. Now you see this term is nothing but a minus 1 whole cube. You can verify. So let us verify this. So if I use this identity a minus 1 whole cube, this is equals to aq minus bq, that is 1 minus 3 times a times b and a minus 1. So this is what? aq minus 1 minus 3a square and this is plus 3a. The same thing you have here, or you can rewrite also aq minus 3a square plus 3a minus 1. Same thing you can see here, aq minus 3a square plus 3a minus 1. So now I can say that I can rewrite this as a minus 1 whole cube plus and 2a minus 16. So 2a minus 16 I can also write 2a minus 2 minus 14 because I want a minus 1. So this is a minus 1 whole cube plus 2 times a minus 1 minus 14 and this is equals to 0. Now let us call this as equation 3. Now on the same line I can further simplify equation 2, and what is equation 2? Equation 2 is bq minus 3b square plus 5b plus 11, this is equals to 0. So I want same kind of expression. So I can write bq minus 3b square and 5b I can write 3b plus 2b. And let us subtract 1 and add 1. And we already have 11. So this is what? This is bq minus 3b square plus 3b minus 1. So what is left? 2b is left and 11 plus 1, that is 12. So 2b plus 12 is equals to 0. Now this is what? This is b minus 1 whole cube. And this will be, I need a b minus 1 term. So what I will do is, I will subtract 2 and I will add 2. And this plus 12 is equals to 0. So this is b minus 1 whole cube. And this is 2 times b minus 1. And this is 2 plus 12, that is 14. This is equals to 0. Now let us call this as equation 4. So this is my equation 4. Now let us introduce a new variable. So we will call, so let us say we are going to introduce x is equals to a minus 1 and y is equals to b minus 1. So with this new variable, my equation number 3, what you will have? You will have equation number 3, I can write this is x cube plus 2 times x minus 14 is equals to 0. And equation number 4, this will be y cube plus 2 times y plus 14, this is equals to 0. And this suggests that I should add these two equations. So if you add these two equations, you will have x cube plus y cube. So we are going to add these two equations, plus y cube plus 2x, and 2 is common. So I can write 2 times x plus y, and 14 will cancel. This is equals to 0. Now again, let us use the identities here. And the identities is x plus y whole cube. So I can write, so basically this is x cube plus y cube. So this is x cube plus y cube. So I can use the identity. So let us use the identity. So x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y times x square plus y square minus xy, and then this is 2x plus y, this is equals to 0. Now I can take x plus y common. So what is left? You have left with x square plus y square minus xy plus 1 plus 2, because you have 2 times x plus y, this is equals to 0. Now we are going to use a trick, and in this case basically two possibilities, either this term is 0 or this term is 0. We will show that the second term can never be 0. So let us see how we can show that. So you have the second, so the first condition will be x plus y is equals to 0. That is one condition. And the second condition is x square plus y square minus xy plus 2 is equals to 0. Now I can write x square as x square by 2 plus x square by 2. Similarly, y square I can write y square by 2 plus y square by 2. And xy I can write 2 times x by root 2 times y by root 2. And this plus 2 is equals to 0. So now let us club the terms together. So the first term I can write x by root 2 whole square, this term, and then this term I can write plus y by root 2 whole square, and then this term, that is minus 2 times x by root 2 times y by root 2. And what are the term that is left? So you have been left with x square by 2 plus 1 by square by 2 and then plus 2. So let us put these terms. So we have been left with x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Now see, this is what? This is nothing but a minus b whole square. So I can write x by root 2 minus y by root 2 whole square, and this plus x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Now this is a whole square of some number. So this is always greater than equal to 0. It can be 0, but it can never be negative. It is always positive. And this thing is always greater than 0 because this is a square, this is a square, and this is plus 2. So this number is always greater than 0. So the whole thing can never be 0. So this cannot be 0. So it is not possible to this term to 0. So not 0. So the second condition, that is the condition we have, that is x square plus y square minus xy plus 2 is equals to 0. This is not possible. So only one thing is possible, that is x plus y is equals to 0. And what is x? If you remember, we have assumed that a minus 1 is equals to x and b minus 1 is equals to y. So a minus 1 plus b minus 1, that is x plus y, is equals to 0. So from here I can say that is a plus b, this is equals to 2. And this was asked in the problem. What is the value of a plus b? So we can say that the value of a plus b is basically 2. I hope you like this problem, and if you like these videos, please share with your friends, like on my channel and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.